Feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Only time I feel pain when I'm feeling love. That's why I said it on my face that I'm down on. Only time you on my mind when I'm all alone. That's why I'm never really alone in the nighttime. Change hoes like clothes, I can get attached. Cause these hoes
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. About you.
Hello, hi, I'm Kwaji. So today I've decided to put you guys down there. Just bear with me on this one because we are starting off the vlog again at night. Today's Friday night, and the reason as to why I've placed you down there is because I was busy folding my clothes, and I figured let me start off this vlog at this point because I'll just end up shooting random videos. And I wanted to show you guys something cute that I got. Can you imagine I got this pair of socks at the supermarket? I got 3 of them. One was going for 80 shillings. 80 bob is, and this supermarket was Naivas. So tell me, is Naivas the new Gikomba for like new things? Because this pair of socks, there's our uncle socks. I got them at 80 bob, 1 pair. But anyway, ni sawa. So welcome to this new vlog. I really hope that you're going to have fun on this one. Yes. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Kelvin, and on this vlog we are life as Kelvin, as you get to interact with my life as a 24-year-old baby who is still figuring out life and trying everything out here. So welcome once again. Happy Saturday. So hi, this is me just going back to the house because today's on Saturday and we work half day. Right now it's around noon. My plan was to pass by the shop that I mentioned that I was to get fragrances, but I didn't manage because they were closed for today. So I guess I'm going to go next week and check out if I'm going to be able to get anything amazing on that. So right now the plan is to just get to the crib and do a bit of cleaning. Then we'll see where the day takes us, but technically Sina form it's been a Saturday. Sina. So I just got to the house and decided to prepare lunch. And this reminds me, someone once asked me, do you ever cook ugali? So the question is, yes, I do cook ugali. I'm having ugali and some stew that I prepared jana usiku because jana I didn't eat quite a lot. And I decided, just a minute. It is stopping. So let's put that aside, Kwanzaa. I thought let me just sit down and talk to you guys because I feel like the 20s are crazy. They are crazy, especially with the pressure that comes on board. I'll be turning 25 in a few months, actually 2 months if I'm not wrong. Like in Isasa, there's something that we used to do when we were kids. We used to say that by 25, I want to be with my first car, I want to have kids, I want to get married, I have my first house. And then that 25 hits you and you have nothing. Like literally nothing close to what you wanted to have. And because of that, you really conform to the pressure of fulfilling your inner child's dream. You get what I'm saying? So this is what I think and what I'm actually telling myself because I'll be turning 25. And trust you me, I was one of those kids who would be like, I want to have my first car by 25. I want to have my first house. Your part, your wife and kids was not in the equation. But what I'm saying is I'm really trying so much to conform, not to the pressure of all that, because I feel ikikuja ni sawa, isipokuja ni sawa pia. You get it? Because tell me why. Everyone was enrolling at campus when they were 19, 18 years old. And this is me enrolling campus when I was 24 years old. Yeah, at the start of this year. So everything comes at its own pace and time. So let us not feel the pressure of everything else. Yeah, let's just go with the flow. In the meantime, let me enjoy my ugali because I am so hungry and I cannot keep talking to you guys here while this meat is staring at me. Okay.
Still think about me, baby, 'cause you're on my mind and it's driving me crazy. Are you finally over me? You can tell me the truth. Or do you still love me the way that I still love
it's Monday again, and I'm not totally having it. I was this close to sending in a text and saying that I'm sick and I'm not going to come to work today. But I love my job. Okay, so as usual, set of the day. Today we are going to mix these two perfumes. This is the Candy Pink 2 and the Black 5. We're going to do a cocktail of both and come up with a new scent. Let me just first do this one. Yeah, going to come up with a new scent upon doing a blend of these two. So how is your Monday coming along like? Because for me, I'm like 5 itafika saa ngapi? 5 itafika saa ngapi? There you go. Yes. So that is going to be my scent of the day. Let us get to work and see if this week is going to rush fast and another weekend comes along and we are happy. Yeah. Now, if you see me drinking this, just know it's been one of those Mondays. And also, Smirnoff, please sponsor me. Just kidding. We do not condone underage drinking in this channel, okay? Now, I'm just at the house and I'm just going through my fee structure for the actually this year alone. And I'm like, if you're getting your fee paid by your folks or by any chance you're gonna help, please, Soma, imagine Kashulo Some, because I'm looking at the money that I'm ending up paying and I'm like, nipe 3% in shamba kamudu niendelee na maisha, because imagine by the if you're getting your fee paid, imagine Kashulo Some, imagine it's not a joke, you're getting to pay your own fee. So please, Soma, and don't get pregnant. Yeah, that man is not even man. That boy is not going to take you anywhere. Okay. If you're seeing this, welcome to the last day of our vlog. Yeah, I know I've not vlogged for a couple of days and I'm really sorry about that, guys. I have been busy. I have been hella busy, and whoever lied to us that working in Lego is glamorous and fun, jeez, they should be arrested for that. I mean, working in Lego, you'll be overwhelmed, you'll be stressed, you'll be exhausted at 7 a.m. in the morning. Yani itafika point mpaka utasikia kurushia mtu stapler kwa hiyo ofisi because they're just I don't know what. But we push on, we keep on pushing because a lot is a scam, right? And I'm even thinking of applying for my leave as early as now because I was thinking of doing it on my birthday week, but the exhaustion is just too much. So we just need to take a rest. But thank you so much for this amazing vlog week that you've had. I'll see you guys on the next one as you all get to have a life of this young baby here. Take care.